Hi YouTube, we are in Ocho Rios. We're in Ochi. We're not doing anything fancy or too exciting. We're just gonna walk the streets. We're actually at Island Village right now, so I'm gonna see what's going on at Island Village and take you along. We're just walking, we're just taking a stroll. It's just a chill weekend and we're just walking through Ochi. So welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, go ahead and subscribe. I'm happy to have you. I anticipated the day was going to be pretty hot and sunny today, but it's actually very cloudy today, a little bit gloomy. It rained just a tad for about 2 minutes or so on our way here. So the skies are a bit gray and kind of defeat the purpose of me wearing my hat and my shades, but we're gonna keep it on. Island Village is a touristy little village, for lack of a better word. There are a lot of stores, touristy stores here where you can get souvenirs to take home. A lot of tourists tend to come here and tour buses drop off their visitors here so that they can just chill for the day. Also, here is Margaritaville. You guys probably would have seen me visit Margaritaville, Montego Bay, where I had lunch some time ago. Yeah, that's when I did the Montego Bay food tour. So there's also Margaritaville here in Island Village, and it's pretty much the same as the one in Montego Bay, Negril, or the others. So you can just come and spend the day. There's a beach, a lot of other restaurants and cafes where you can chill and dine if you want to, shop if you want to. So it's pretty cool. I do think they also have entertainment here, live entertainment from time to time, and it's chill.
Take me to you. Waiting for you.
There's a place in Negril that's very popular for selling popsicles. It's called Chill Pops. I've always said that whenever I go to Negril, I would check them out. But I'm yet to go to Negril. I haven't been to Negril in so long. But I didn't know that they actually opened a location in Ochi. Sweating like crazy, even though it rained earlier. Oh my gosh, it's still so hot. Turtle River Park. It's a nice little park where you can go with your family. They have a falls type of setup, garden. I think there might be a zoo over there. It's kind of like a family vibe. I used to love junk growing up, but I don't know if the food is of the same quality these days. It's been a while since I've gone there. It's just me, but Ochi seems a bit quiet, and I feel like it was just as quiet the last time I was here, but I'm not complaining. Still had a good time walking the streets, and we had an amazing lunch. The pasta was pretty good at Ciao Bella. So we're full, we're tired, and it's time to head back home. So that's the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you haven't subscribed as yet, please go ahead and do so. I'd be happy to have you here. And of course, if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, and until the next one, take care.